Okay, students, good morning. Today we do some question from class 8, Computer Mathematics. Especially question number 17 in BLE. Let's start from question number 1. Question number 1. Solution here. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 raised to minus 1, 1 base 2 minus 1, 0 base 2. We have to simplify it. This equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 base 2. Taking minus common from second and third number, we can get 1, 1 base 2 plus 1, 0 base 2. This equal to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 base 2 minus adding two numbers 1 plus 0. 1, 1 plus 1, 0 and carry over 1. So 1, 0, 1 base 2. We know that 1 plus 1 in binary addition, it becomes 1, 0. Then subtraction. This 0 minus 1 impossible. So taking borrow, 0 cannot give borrow. This 1 can give borrow. It becomes 0. Then it becomes 1, 0. Again it gives borrow for 0. It becomes 1, 0. And it becomes 1. So 1, 0 means sum of 2 1. So 1, 0 minus 1. 1. Now 1 minus 0. 1. Then 0 minus 1 impossible. Again we did borrow. This 1 gives borrow. It becomes 0. And 0 becomes 1, 0. Then 1, 0 minus 1. 1. Then remaining part, this 0, this 1. So answer is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now students, we go to next question. Question number 2. Solution here. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2 minus 1, 0, 1 base 2 plus 1, 1, 0 base 2. Now first step, adding this first and last number. First and last, adding together. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, it becomes 0 and carry over 1. Next number, 1 plus 1, again carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1. So sum 1 carry over again 1. Next digit 1 here. 1 plus 1, 1, 0 base 2 minus 1, 0, 1 base 2. Now subtraction. This 0 minus 1 impossible. So we need borrow. 0 cannot be borrowed. So we can get borrow from this one. It becomes 0. 0 becomes 1, 0. Then 1, 0 becomes 1. Then 0 becomes 1, 0. 1, 0 minus 1. 1. Then 1 minus 0. 1. Next is 0 minus 1. Again impossible. This 0 cannot be borrowed. This 1 gives borrow. 0 becomes 1, 0. Again 1, 0 gives borrow. It becomes 1. 0 becomes 1, 0. Now 1, 0 minus 1. 1. And last digit is 1. So answer is 1, 1, 1, 1. Base 2. Now we go to question number 3. Question number 3. Solution here. 201 base 5 that is binary number, plus 211 base 5 minus 103 base 5. So first of all, adding first and second number. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 1, 1. And 2 plus 2, 4. So 412 base 5 minus 103 base 5. Now subtract. 2 minus 3, we get a subtract, so we did borrow. This 1 gives borrow. This 2 becomes 1, 2. 1, 2 minus 3. In decimal, 1, 2 is 1, 0, 5, 1, 1, 6, 1, 0, 5, 1, 1 base 5, that is 6, 1, 2 base 5 is 7, 1, 3 base 5 is 8, 1, 4 base 5 is 9. So, here 1, 2, so 1, 2 is 7, so 7 minus 3, 4. Then after giving 1, it becomes 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 4 minus 1, it becomes 3. So 3, 0, 4 is 5. This is the answer. Now we go to question number 2. Question number 4. So here 30 minus 5 multiply 2 of 3 plus 19 minus 3 divided by 8. Is equal to this question. We have to follow the rules of BOD, MAS, bracket of divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. Now, first of all, this of tax. So 30 minus 5 is 2 of 3, 3 times of 2, 2 times of 3, that is 6, plus this bracket tax, 19 minus 3, 16 divided by 8. Now second tax, this divide, 16 divided by 8. 30 minus 5 times of 6 plus 16 divided by 8, 8 to the 16, so 2. From this multiplication, 30 minus 5, 6 are 30 plus 2. Was it 30, 30 cancel, so this one is 2. Now, question number 5. Question number 5, so here 11 multiply 11 divide and within bracket minus 11 divide curly bracket 12 minus this one bracket 13 minus 12 bracket close, curly bracket close, big bracket close, plus 121. This is equal to, first of all, BOD has tax over small bracket here. So 11 times 11 divided by big bracket minus 11 divide curly bracket 12. 13 minus 12, that is 1. So 12 minus 1 bracket close plus 121 equal to 11 times 11 divided by minus 11. 12 minus 1, the tax within curly bracket. Divide 12 minus 1 is 11. Bracket close plus 121. This equal to 11 times 11 divided by minus 11 divided by 11, that is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 121. This equal to plus 121. This equal to now 11 divided by minus 1, that is minus 11. Plus 121. Now multiplication 11 into minus 11, minus 121 plus 121 becomes 0. Now question number 6. On 6 we have 5 times 10 to the power 6 multiplied with 4 times 10 to the power minus 7, 8 for the square, whole upon 64 times 10 to the power 7 multiplied with 2 times 10 to the power minus 4 equal to 5 times 10 to the power 6 times 4 for the square, so y square times 10 to the power minus 7 to the minus 14 whole upon 64 times 10 to the power 7 multiplied with 2 times 10 to the power minus 4. Now 5 y square, that is 16 upon 64 times 2. Calculation of coefficient and base 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Base 10. First part is 6. Second part is minus 14. Third part 7. Moving up, it becomes minus 7. Minus 4 moving up, it becomes plus 4. This equal to 16 for the 64 and 4 to the 8. So 5 by 8 times 10 to the power 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 14 minus 4 minus 7 minus 11. So 5 divided by 8, it becomes 0.625, 0.625, but by which 10 to the power minus 11 is equal to 6.25, but by which 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, this is the answer. Now, next question, question number 7. First 7 we have square root of 1300 minus square root of 882 plus square root of 968 plus square root of 1152. This equal to square root of 13 times 100 square root of 882, that is 441 times 2, 968. 484 times 2, 1152. I want 76 times 2. Now these are our square numbers, so we can use it. Square root of 13 times 10 square minus 441, that is square root of 21. So 21 square times 2. 484, that is 22 square. So square root of 22 square times 2. 576, that is square root of 24. So 25 square into 2. Now this is equal to 10 to 13 minus 21 root 2 plus 22 root 2 plus 24 root 2. Now this is equal to 10 to 13. 24 minus 21. 3 plus 22. 25. 25 root 2. This is the answer. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. So here we have 4 square root of 200 minus 5 square root of 392 plus 3 square root of 648 plus 2 square root of 32. This is equal to 4 square root of 100 times of 2 minus 5 square root of 392 divided by 2. 196 times 2. So it's 100 square number, 196 square number plus 3 square root of 648. This 324 times 2. 2 square root of 60 times 2, 32, 60 times 2. These all are square numbers, so using square number. 4 square root of 100 is 10 square times 2 minus 5 square root of 996, that is 14 square times 2 plus 3 124, that is 18 square. So 18 square times 2 plus 2 square root of 62, that is 4 square and times 2. Now this equal to 10 comes out. So 10 for the 4 times 10 root 2 minus 5 times 14 root 2 plus 3 times 18 root 2 plus 2 times 4 root 2. This equal to 10 for the 40 root 2 minus 14 5 the 70 root 2 plus 18 3 the 54 root 2 plus 4 to the 8 root 2. Now this is equal to 40 minus 70 plus 54 plus 8 times root 2. Now it becomes 40 minus 70 plus 54 plus 8, then becomes 42 and root 2. 22 root 2. This is the answer. Now we go to question number 9. Question number 9. So here square root of 72 minus 45 upon square root of 50 minus 44 upon square root of 128 plus 2 root 98. Now this is equal to square root of 36 times 2 minus 45 upon square root of 25 times 2 minus 44 upon 128, that is square root of 64 times 2 plus 2 square root of 49 times 2. Now this equal to the square root of 60 square times 2 minus 45 upon square root of 5 square times 2 minus 44 upon square root of 80 square times 2 plus 2 square root of 70 square times 2. This equal to 6 root 2 minus 45 upon 5 root 2 minus 44 upon 8 root 2 plus 2 times 7 root 2. This equal to 6 root 2, 5 9 are 45, so 9 by root 2 and rationalize it, multiply by irrational factor root 2 by root 2 minus 4 to the 8, 4 11 the 42, so 11 by 2 root 2 multiply by root 2 upon root 2, rationalize the derivative plus 2 7 the 14 root 2. This equal to 6 root 2 plus 14 root 2, this person just adding together 14 plus 6 20 root 2 minus 9 root 2 upon root 2 into root 2 is square, it becomes 2 minus 11 root 2 upon root 2 into root 2, 2 to the 4. Now taking LCM of all three terms, so LCM is equal 24 the 80 times root 2 minus 2 to the 4 and 2 9 the 18 minus 18 root 2. 4 1 the 4 and 1 11 the 11, so 11 root 2. This equal to 80 minus 11 minus 18. 80 minus 11 minus 18. It becomes 51. So 51 root 2 upon 4. This is the answer. Okay, students. Now we go to next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. We have here. Upon square root of 28 minus 60 upon square root of 45 minus 2 root 20 plus 2 times square root of 175. This equal to 42 upon square root of 4 times of 7 minus 60 upon square root of 9 times of 5 minus 2 square root of 4 times of 5 plus 2 square root of 35 times 7. Then this equal to 42 upon square root of 2 square into 7 minus 60 upon square root of 3 square times 5 minus 2 square root of 3 square times 5 plus 2 square root of 5 square times 7. Now this equal to 42 upon 2 root 7 minus 60 upon 3 root 5 minus 2 times of 2 square root of 5 plus 2 times of 5 square root of 7. Now these 2 21 the 42, so 21 upon square root of 7. Rationalize the denominator root 7, so multiply by root 7 upon root 7. 3 20 are 60, so 20 by root 5. This rationalize denominator, so multiply by root 5 upon root 5. 2 to the 4, so minus 4 root 5. 2 5 are 10, so 10 root 7. This equal to 21 root 7 upon root 7 times root 7, that is root 7 whole square, so it becomes 7 minus 20 root 5 1 root 5 into root 5. Root 5 whole square, that is 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 10 root 7. This equals to 7, 3 the 21, so 3 root 7, 5 4s are 20, so minus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 10 root 7. This percent 7 last like comes, so 3 root 7 plus 10 root 7, it becomes 13 root 7. The second and third, 4 root 5, 4 root 5, it becomes minus 8 root 5. This is the answer. Okay students, this was for today. Have a nice time. See you soon.